Hey there traders and investors, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had an amazing day today. Now, you're looking at a chart of the S&P 500 or SPY on the daily time frame. And as you can see, the index closed up 0.12%, up 61 cents on the day, and printed a shooting star candlestick on Monday on very low volume. Actually, about half of the normal daily trading volume, indicating the lack of selling pressure, as sellers were unable to induce significant selling pressure or convince institutional traders to offload their positions. However, even though the low volume demonstrates the lack of conviction from the sellers, the shooting star candle often signifies a potential reversal or indecision in the market. The shooting star candlestick appeared on Monday, characterized by a small body and a long upper shadow. This pattern typically indicates that buyers drove prices higher during the session, but sellers forced the closing price back near the open, suggesting possible bearish sentiment. The benchmark SPY has been consistently testing the 5-day moving average during pullbacks. Over the past 13 trading days, sellers have repeatedly attempted to push the price below this level, but have failed to maintain control. This persistent support at the 5-day moving average highlights substantial buying pressure, as buyers have stepped in to defend this level each time. The inability of sellers to sustain a move below the 5-day moving average, despite multiple attempts, indicates robust buying interest, likely from institutional investors. This behavior underscores a bullish undertone in the market, with strong demand outweighing selling efforts. The current price action suggests a firm support level at the 5-day moving average, where I will be a buyer of the 520 or 530 call options that don't expire for at least 4 or 5 days. Any close below the 5-minute candle that I bought at, however, will trigger my stop, while the shooting star pattern signals potential resistance in the short term. Traders should watch for confirmation of these signals in subsequent sessions to gauge the market's next direction. Now let's take a look at the hourly chart of the SPY. Upon examining the hourly chart of SPY, we can identify key levels of support and resistance that would guide potential buy and sell decisions. The SPY is currently trading at approximately 530.06. I want you to take note of these moving averages. The moving averages are: the 5-day moving average is at 530.86, the 10-day moving average is at 525.42, the 20-day moving average is at 515.28, and the 50-day moving average is at 514.42. Notice the significant trading activity is concentrated around the 528 to 530 levels, indicating potential support and resistance areas. Now let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands. The upper band is at 534.75, and the lower band is at 515.28. The current price is near the middle of the bands, suggesting a potential range-bound movement in the short term. Should price pull back to the 528.12 level, this level coincides with the lower end of the recent consolidation zone and is reinforced by the 5-day moving average. Buying around this level provides a more favorable risk-to-reward ratio, with the expectation that the price will bounce back within the consolidation range. I will place a stop loss just below the 5-minute candlestick that I bought at. My upside target in this scenario would be 534.75, as this level corresponds with the upper Bollinger Band and represents the upper end of the recent price range. Selling near this resistance can capitalize on potential profit taking and the likelihood of a pullback from this level. In the event I get stopped out from my buy at the 529.12 level, the next buy point for me would be near the 10-day moving average, which is currently near 515.38. I would then buy the 517 to 520 call options that don't expire for at least 5 to 7 days, with my stop also being just below the first 5-minute candle where I bought at. If you could take a quick moment to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, it would really help out the channel. Have a great night, thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.